So we've got Annie out here. We've got a cock pheasant out here, freshly shot today. And what we've done, what we've done is taken some electrical tape. We put the head under the wing, and we've taped the wings together. That way, the wings won't bother the pup. It's nice, easy, something easy for the dog to pick up. We're going to introduce Annie to this cock pheasant. So what I'm going to do, and now she's sniffing my leg, probably getting used to those smells. Come here. So I'm gonna get her nose in it. Ooh. Ready? Ready? Up. Annie. Good. So, oh. Just like we've been doing with the food bowl and our trees. Annie, get him. Good girl. Let her get used to it. Good girl, kitty. And just let her figure it out. If she's struggling with a little bit or a little freaked out, I'll go pick it up and throw it. Hey, Annie. Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Good girl, come on. Hey, come on, girl. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. All right, up. So now she's used to it. She's having fun with it. We're going to ask for some obedience again. Up. Come on. Come on, Annie. Up. Good. Annie, get up. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, come on, Annie. Good girl, here. Good job. So a little bit of praise there. Up, we'll do it again. Good girl. A little calm. Good girl. You know. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. Good job. Hey, good job. All right. I'm going to try to get one more out of her and get her to bring it straight into hand using the whistle. Get up. Good girl. Good. Good. Go. Good girl. Good girl. All right. That's all I want to see. And we'll continue to throw different types of birds. Undo the tape, let her fetch it without the head in there, but this is all I want for today.